So I guess the final question would be, is this platform going to be viable in 2021?
Aaron.
I mean, that's a big question.
It is.
I mean, I definitely think it's gonna be viable. Like, you're gonna be able to come to Facebook Gaming and you're gonna be able to grow, and you're actually gonna be able to like grow at least from zero to something a little bit easier than other platforms. But you're not. It's gonna be much more difficult. Like, you're basically gonna be mining Facebook to bring gamers off of the platform to bring them to other places where the gaming culture and community can be developed, because it cannot be developed here. There's a couple issues where even outside of the features, that's kind of more difficult because it's more international and it's more mobile based. It makes it a little bit more challenging to get users into a gaming culture type community and getting them really tribal around something that's like memey and fun and gaming centric. It's just more difficult because they're on phones most of the time. And the phones that they have, they're not typing as quickly. They have to swap away from the stream in order to do anything else and then come back to it. That's also an issue that has to be addressed. So because you've got a more international culture, you've got a more mobile leaning culture, and you don't have anything to base gaming around for them to really like tribalize. It's just not there. I don't think you're going to see Facebook Gaming blow up in 2021 and suddenly become a Twitch or YouTube competitor. It's still going to sit at like 3 to 5% of the total viewership share between the three platforms. Will it be viable? I think it'd be viable, but it's just not going to be this amazingly strong player or contender that we were hoping it would be, because they're not working on the culture aspect of it. Unfortunately.
That makes sense. Ross, is there some sort of way that people can take this audience from Facebook and maybe share it to other platforms and maybe grow in multiple places just in case Facebook isn't the future? Is there some solution?
No.
All right, and thank you so much for watching this episode of the Digital Drop Podcast.
No, actually there is, and we use Restream.io. We are sponsored by them, and that's actually going to bring me my next question. But Restream.io, you can stream at the same time to Facebook, Twitter, if you want, Twitch, YouTube, Trovo, DLive, all of the platforms. You can do it all at once in case one platform goes down. Like we saw with Mixer, you got to back up elsewhere.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.